What trail say he was on?
I thought he was hooping or something.
That's what I kind of figured. Shit. See the boys? Marlo. You know I'm finna fuck this tunnel up. Can't even hear it back there. Bro, that wine crazy. That shit wild. No, we finna hit it again. Shit. Shit. I know the outside view probably crazy. Catch that little charger. I love catching chargers. Ah, why he braking? Ah,
You can't do nothing with
he ain't talking about nothing. He was on the phone.
that. He got shot hard.
Oh!
I'm not sitting. I'm saying that's what it is.
Sean!
Sean.
Sean!
I'm saying that's his car. Yeah, his ass can't race you. He crazy.
Sean, he dogging you.
Oh God, I'm not. I said he can't race you in that car. You gonna leave him. So I said don't waste your time.
What the hell?
You crazy, bro.
Sean!
You crazy, bro.
Talking about your six. Them lights gonna just mess me up. I thought that was a yeet. I think that is a club.
Yeah, that's a fruity club,
What?
I think.
Fruity?
I think that's a fruity club.
Fruity crazy.
You know what I mean? They say that on YouTube.
Type. Y'all try to cancel us quick.
Yeah.
Hey, bro, that word
I
crazy.
think that's what it is.
What the hell? Hey, that word crazy. Hey,
I'm
bro.
not thinking nothing else.
Nah, yeah. But we out here cutting up, bro. Y'all see that light turning on? I keep saying open hood, but you know, Mark can go over. Ooh, that motherfucker said, watch! Watch! Everybody probably looking at the hood like, damn. This thing. Well, what is he doing? Yeah, that'll turn his ass around. son, man. I can't wait to be a dad, chat. That RT don't, RT don't sound too bad. No bad. Hey man, you gotta start somewhere, bro. Honestly, bro. Shit, bro, this car is crazy. This is definitely better than the track, bro. I don't even care no more. Everybody keep asking me, bro. It's definitely better, bro, for sure. We're finna go to Central, take some pictures, and then we'll go back to the mall or whatever. Yeah. They being lame as hell, not trying to go crazy. Say you bogus. Benny, you bogus, gang. Should I launch it or should I stall it? I'm gonna stall because you see how this is set up. Damn, bro. This is crazy, bro. I still can't believe this.
He said you scared of the hood.
Who?
Say. He said we went Mishawaka downtown and back to Mishawaka.
I ain't fucking with Western, boy. I got 3 tickets over there.
He said we doing laps in Mishawaka and downtown.
Tell him we finna go take pictures at Central. Shit! I got 3 tickets on Western, and then I was about to get another ticket, but since they fucked with me, I ain't getting no ticket.
I think you were just saying like go to the north, like you were saying or something.
Yeah, I should have just went over there. The kids would have loved that, for sure. Shit. I'm gonna calm down over there, be kids out. Ooh. Y'all heard them little crackles, whatever you want to call it. I think you call those crackles. But we at Central Park, Mishawaka. Be a lot of people out here. They just pulling out, not even looking. Let's take these flicks. And then I don't know what they want to do after that, but damn, it might not be no spots up here. Chilling. What's up, bro?
What up, man? You guys part of the 574?
Nah, I don't think. I think they kicked me from that group. Damn, you know that person? Can we park right there? I just want to take a picture of these Durangos. All right.
Bring your car over here. You're gonna park up.
Hey, park your car right there. We're gonna make a little picture. Tell Seth to go to that. Well, actually, it's cool.
Why you running without the hood?
Cause you can hear the whine louder.
Oh, I see you got the hood in the back.
Yeah, we got it right here. We got it right there.
I heard y'all rolling up. I'm like, oh, here comes some of the crew.
Yeah, for sure.
Got a Honda wanting to come through.
Yeah, I know.
What's all done to it? Is it or
It's just an intake and then straight pipe.
intake and straight pipe? That's it.
Yeah, that's it. I didn't do too much. I don't want to void that warranty.
Sounds fucking good as hell, though.
Yeah, I know. Let me back in here. Hey, watch how I whip this. Watch how I whip that. Whip that hole. Whip that hole. Had to whip that hole. Had to whip that hole. Well, let me get a little pic right here. Got the RT. Big RT. RT, you know what I'm saying? Copyright, you know what I'm saying? RT, you know what I'm saying? And we got the SRT.
Yeah, I got more people from.
We got the nice cat.
We got
Cat outside. Yeah. That's tough. I just wanted to take this pic. Watch out, Benny. Watch out, Lee. I told you to leave it on, you nut. So I told you to leave it on, nut. Damn, my shit crooked.
He said, what's wrong with this nut?
Hey, Lee was talking about you.
What'd you say, Lee? I was finna say, stand on business.
On bro he was. On bro he was. On bro he was. I said, no, let me say it. Let me say it. Let me say it. Let me say it. All right, so I said, you see that, I said, ooh, I can't wait to see this charger. I'm trying to see what this charger's talking about. And remember, we was on that little road next to the, yeah. So then I was like, ooh. I said, all right, bet. He said, that's his GT. I said, oh, okay. Yeah, I was like, he wasn't on shit for real. He said, yeah, that's what Sean got. I said, huh? He said, yeah, that's what Sean got. That's what Sean got.
And what else I say? Hey, just wait on it. What else I say? What else I say?
You said, that's what Sean got. You was shitting.
Oh, God, I was. Look, I said, if he was a race.
Y'all two niggas, yeah. Y'all yeeing each other.
That's like me making. That's what I'm saying.
Bro, what? That's what he said. That's literally what he said.
Why do you like being in the back?
Yeah, why you like being in the back, man?
If we get flicked, I'm not stopping. I'm not the one to stop. Y'all are gonna stop, so I'm gonna go around y'all. Y'all are gonna stop.
I like being in the back because
same situation.
I'm leaving.
Y'all, I get a feel for the land because he gonna cut up first. I'm like, okay, cool. And you cut up next. I'm like, if they cut up, then I'm gonna cut up too.
Okay.
You feel me? If I get flicked
Totally
up, they gonna flick him up. So it's like shit. And at that point,
I'm stopping.
at that point, I get that. Let me slow my ass down. That's why I like being in the back.
Nah, I like being in the back and they be like, that motherfucker old and slow.
You hear that?
Where y'all like being? You'd rather be in the back or the front?
Why you like being in the back?
I'm in the front. I want to dog some.
On Fox.
Dog.
I'm trying to go 7. If I see a nigga pull over, if you first, you getting pulled over. You can't stop all 4 of us. So shit, once you get flicked, I'm hitting the left and I'm gone. Oh God, I'm not stopping.
You stopping?
Out of all of them.
They lying. They stopping.
Oh, nigga, out of 4 people, I'm not stopping. There's only one police.
If I'm in the front, I'm in the front for a reason. I'm gone, nigga. I'm hitting
They gonna hit your ass with a. Call your friends back here right now.
Be by 4, we have.
I don't know,
I
Dad.
don't know. He just got in traffic with us.
He just hopped in the line with us.
I don't know.
So you got 3 big ass Durangos in line. Y'all don't know each other. Don't know each other at all. 3
Them look crazy.
big ass Durangos and a scat.
My mama. But yeah, man. So that'll conclude this video. Hey, we got another little cut up session probably tomorrow. We'll probably do some mod. Ooh, we got some mods coming on Monday. We got decals, Hellcat decals. Damn, I'm so used to the track out, man. We got 2 Hellcat decals on the sides. We'll link our Instagram, put those on the 2 back windows, do it like that. And yeah, so go follow the Instagram right here, Big Door. Well, I mean, Durango 710. You know, we got 710 now. We ain't in 707 no more. But yeah, so go follow that. And I'll see you guys soon.